A few moments later.
Ladies and gentlemen, this right here is a pilot's dream. The hot rod in the sky. A Boeing 757-200. This one is fitted with their Pratt & Whitney 2037s. You know what that means? This narrow body is getting 37,000 pounds of thrust coming out of both these engines. Alright, let me tell y'all. Takeoff performance, power, everything, climb capability is unmatched. It is unmatched. And even though she's 50 something years old, you gotta take care of her, you know? This is why she continues to reign supreme and dominant. This is why she's our workforce. She's our workhorse. But she gets the job done, you know? I don't know. They try to replace her with a 321neo, but fortunately, it ain't happening. It ain't happening and it won't happen. Until y'all can take off like her, anywhere, anytime, ain't happening.